back to another look. Today we are doing Wednesday Addams from the Addams family. So I'm not really going in crazy with my brows, because the bangs is gonna cover them anyway. But I kind of still wanted to do something on there in case you swoop your bang to the side. The brows still look cute, but I didn't put any makeup on my forehead. And you can do whichever Wednesday Addams you want to. There's no right or wrong one. I just chose the Jenna Ortega Wednesday. Um, so here I am going in with eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. And this is Eden, not the original one. This is Eden. And I just like that it keeps my oil at bay because my eyelids are very oily, just like my skin. And it allows colors to just pop. The palette that I use in this whole look is the Pretty Grunge palette from Huda Beauty. And I like it because it's more of a cool tone palette. So the brown I used here is a cool tone brown. May not look like it, but it is. The purple is also like a very, very cool tone plum. And I think this shade is called Nirvana. And I just go in to blend those two colors together. Not like a perfection of a blend, and I wanted it like that on purpose. So I blended it to where I feel like you can still see the difference of where they connect. And I'm going in with this kohl pencil liner from Huda Beauty. And I just smudge it to not soften it, just to make it look faded. I want that color there, but I didn't want it to be like a sharp eyeliner because that's not what we're going for today. Nope. And once I was done with that, I went in with the black from the eyeshadow palette to just smudge it some more. And then I'm going in with this foundation. This is a new foundation. This is my first time using it. That's what it is. It's like the gold. Don't make me lie. It's a Guerlain foundation. It's like my second or my third Guerlain foundation, and I've had it for a while. I'm like, I haven't even used this, so it's a little on the warmer side, but I didn't mind that. I I have so many foundations, and concealer usually just concealer and contour. By the time everything is done, it blends in seamlessly. So here I'm using my One Size concealer, and I think this concealer and the Shart and the Tarte Shape Tape is the one I've been using the most, or maybe the Tarte Creaseless. One of those is one of the Tarte concealers in this, and honestly, I'm excited to like finish them. I'm excited to like get to an empty to the bottom of a makeup. I just want to be able to use all of my makeup. Anyway, I'm going in to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. As you can see, you can still see where I have highlighted with concealer to make it look brighter. And you can see where the foundation is just, doing its thing. So I wanted to create like a really, really, not a gaunt look, but I wanted the features to be sharp, like the way her features are. So that's why I did this contour this way, and I pulled it down. Usually I would do my contour that way, but I pull it up because I want to look extra, extra, extra snatched. But this, I wanted to look snatched and gaunt at the same time, where you see the my highlighted under eye more. So here I'm going in with a Real Beauty blush. It is a cream blush, not the liquid one, it's a cream one. I don't remember what this one is called, but like you guys know, I'll leave everything in the description box, as I always do. So I'm just going in with a little bit of more concealer to blend in the blush and the concealer together. Now setting it with the RCMA No Color Powder under my eye. I love this powder. I finally finished. I'm so excited. I finished my Krylon waterproof powder. I'm gonna go pick up another one because I love it so much. Okay, no, actually, no, I'm not. Because I think I have like 15 setting powders. I think I may have more. Don't judge me. It's because of PR. I didn't buy any of these, and I keep getting them. So actually, I'm not gonna go pick up that powder. So I'm just contouring. What did I use to contour here? Oh, this is the one size trio, the contour trio, and I have the darkest palette trio. I love it. I love it so much. Right now, I feel like besides maybe a primer, there's nothing I have from One Size Beauty that I don't love. They eat down. It's so good. It's so good. Anyway, I'm just using the Sephora collection micro smooth powder to buff everything together, and I've purposefully left that powder under my eye to just sit there. For a reason, I didn't want to sweep it off yet because I knew I was going in with what is this? I was going in with under eye eyeshadow, the same color that I used on my top lid. And the blush, I kind of wanted everything to marry into each other. Once I sweep it off, you guys will see. You'll see. I went blush crazy because I'm a blush whore. I love blush like it's nobody's business. I love blush. Anyway, as you can see, I'm using that color that I used on my lid just to sweep everything away. And I have not added mascara yet on my eyes, so you can see the contrast is not happening yet. But once I apply it, I think you'll be able to see the difference. And I'm just now blending every part that joins with something else. I was blending it out so it's seamless. Like you still be able to see where the powder is and the blush, but I don't want you to see any demarcation. Wow, I'm getting tongue twisted here. So that's basically what I was doing. And plus this mascara, it was on its last legs and it just wasn't as black. I finished the Givenchy red one y'all see me use, and that was the Hourglass one. So they both finished. I'm so happy. This is, I don't remember what lip liner this is because it's rubbed off. But anyway, I used like a plumish purple lip liner, and then I used this lip gloss from NARS. I can't remember the name. I like it, but I felt like I needed something darker for my lips, and I ended up going in to use the liquid lipstick, the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick that I've been using, the black one. And I kind of just basically used it to line my lips. And honestly, I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. It did exactly what I needed it to do. And then I used a brush to blend in with the gloss, and it was perfection. I love it. Oh, it was so good. It's so good. And I just go back in with that gloss to give it a little separation, and I left it that way. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, the whole time I was doing this makeup look, not the makeup itself, but just my neck, I was really uncomfortable because I'm not used to having hair, and I was hot. I was hot. I am not used to having hair on my head. So like the wig and me having to just, I felt like I had to hold it up on my neck. Yep. I was uncomfortable. That's why I don't have hair. I can't be bothered. Anyway, I added lashes and I loved the way it looked. And this is the end of the look. I hope you love it. And you see me in the next one. Bye.